Good morning, candidates.
Good morning.
My name is Ignacy Montemayor. I will be your competency assessor for cookery NC2 for today. Before we start, you have to wear your face mask in entering our assessment area because, as you all know, we have a still ongoing pandemic. Before we start, we have to acknowledge the presence of Mrs. Yolanda Simbol, our assessment center processing officer, and Mr. Marlon Turtur, our TESDA representative from TESDA Provincial Office. As you all know, they are here to observe or oversee our competency assessment conducted for today and to check if the competency assessment methodology and procedures are act or do accordingly. Don't worry, candidates, they are not the one who will assess you for today. So let's start. First, let me check your attendance for today. Please send me your admission slip when I call your name. Lisa Candas, please sign in the attendance sheet and lend me your admission slip. Sign in with your name and signature. Thank you. Mr. Alex Montemayor, Tolentino, please sign in your name and signature. Okay, thank you. This time I have your self-assessment guide accomplished. This guide is represents that you can perform and you know how to do the assessment and you can perform every unit that in this competency assessment enumeration. And as I told you, you can perform all the activities that I will assess to you. Today I'm going to administer your competency assessment for cookery NC2. The context of this NC2 is to certify yourself in applying a job, both local and abroad, and you can do a promotion. You are going to perform the 6 core competency to cookery. There are three competencies in cookery NC2. First is the basic competency, second is the common competency, and the third is core competency. But we are focusing now in the core competency. These are the assessment that you will do. First is the preparing vegetable, preparing starch dishes, preparing poultry and game dishes, preparing seafood, preparing the dessert, preparing and packaging a food. As I told you about the competency assessment that will be taken, if the result of your assessment is great or you achieve the criteria or requirements of the units to be assessed, you will be given or receive a COC or Certificate of Competency. There are 4 compiled certificates that will be needed. All the 4 COCs that you will be received, it can be result as a, or it can be counted as a one national competency. Before we proceed, if you have anything that necessity or anything you want to be done, please do it now. And if you have any concern regarding our demonstration or procedure or anything you want me to translate, please don't hesitate to ask me or don't hesitate to concern the procedure. I will be willing to help you about the assessment. Is there anything to be questioned about or anything to be clarified?
None.
If none, I will now distribute. First, I will give you a written exam about the assessment. This written exam is can assess you about how much you've learned or how much you learn in assessing, or you can know about the assessment. This written exam consists of 20 items. Please pass it now. I will be giving you 10 minutes to answer this written exam. Please distribute. After you finish the written exam, don't pass me it already. I will collect it after the assessment. Okay, candidates, time is up. Please let me your answers. The next activity I will give to you is about the assessment that you are required to perform. These are the cleaning and maintaining the kitchen for about 30 minutes, packaging and preparing food for 1 hour, and preparing poultry and game dishes for about 1 minute, and lastly preparing the dessert to about 40 minutes. Do any have concern?
None, sir.
If you have concern or need any assistance for doing this assessment, I am willing to assist you. If you have any necessary understanding, if you are not satisfied for the result you have made, you have the right to appeal to the TESDA provincial office. Is there anything question, candidates?
Answer.
If there's none, I will assign you a number. Miss Canlas, you will be the first candidate, and second candidate will be you, Alec Valentino. Okay, candidates, if you are ready. Okay, giving all the materials, tools, and equipment, you are required to perform making a room for 30 minutes. I will be observing you while you are performing the task. After your demonstration, I will ask some questions related to your demonstration. You may call me when there is need for me to translate or concern about. Any clarification, candidates?
Answer.
Okay, let me start. After I guide you all about the assessment, all the remaining candidates will be wait for the waiting area. Thank you. This time, candidates, I have your result about the assessment we conduct. Miss Lisa Canlas, according to your performance, you performed the standard requirement of the qualifications to be assessed. Please affix your signature in the signature portion. That is the proof that you accept my assessment decision. You can get your national certificate to Mr. Marlon Turtur, our assessment local at the TESDA provincial office. After working days, after 10 days, you can receive the national certificate. And you may get the assessment result to the assessment center manager after the assessment was done. Thank you, Ms. Amlas. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
The second candidate, Alex P. Tolentino. According to your performance, you perform the task, but there is a fault short of standard. You didn't perform the exact required performance to be needed in the qualification. You have to review and practice to the other performance and assessment. Don't you worry, you will be given another chance to reassess the cookery and C2. Then you can signature this paper. You don't have to or you will be only reassessed on the part of the activity that you are found not yet competent. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you for the candidates for attending this assessment. Thank you, Mrs. Yolanda Simon and Sir Marlon Tutor for attending our assessment for today. Thank you, God bless.